I stood up in this gathering and I said it out loud for the first time. I said I wanted to do it. And the encouragement from the women in that gathering was like amazing. Hi, welcome back. If you're just joining me, I'm Monisola Akinyemi, founder of Saintsville and Soothe Saintsville CIC. And this is me doing a series that's walking you through how I planned a wellness event without any experience of having done it before and the lessons I learned along the journey. So in series 1, I talked to you about the first thing to do, which was write it down. And that's what I did. And lesson 2 today is don't give in to fear. Yes, I said it. Do not give in to fear, because that's what always stopped me in my tracks before I began. I was afraid. After I had the vision and I had written it down, there was a long pause between writing it down and actually getting started. And I was afraid. I was afraid of not having the resources to be able to pull something like that off, what people would think, and just a huge amount of fear in how I was going to do it. And basically what happened was, along the journey, the first thing was I spoke it out. I found my voice. So at a women's wellness or women's retreat rather, when we were being asked what we wanted to do in 2026, at the end of 2025, this happened. I stood up in this gathering and I said it out loud for the first time. I said I wanted to do it. And the encouragement from the women in that gathering was like amazing. And it just gave me the strength to begin to really consider that I could actually do it. And then at the beginning of 2026, my pastor talked about it being the year of go. And that just was another impetus for me to just quash that fear a little bit and just begin to have the courage to take the steps to begin to plan to do it. So that's it. Don't give in to fear. I mean, the fear did come at certain points. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't fully dissipated, but I didn't give in to it. Not because I had everything, all my ducks in a row or everything all planned out and ready, but because I didn't give in to it and I just kept going because I knew who was on my side. Okay, that's it. Lesson 2, don't give in to fear. Join me for lesson 3. See you soon.